Let's look at this question. Paradise Island is a famous tourist destination in Bali. The only mode of transport on the island is horse carts. There are 5 tourist attractions on the island named A, B, C, D, and E along a straight path. Bali Transport Authority operates horse carts between A and E on the island. The carts start at A and stop at B, C, D in that order before reaching their destination at E. Tourist attractions B, C, D, and E are located at a distance of 5 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 35 kilometers, and 40 kilometers, respectively, from A. So from A, B is 5 away, C is 15 away, D is 35 away, and E is 40 away. Okay. For the first 5 kilometers, the total passenger fare is 5 twits. And for every subsequent 5-kilometer distance, the total passenger fare increases by 3 twits. Okay. Twit seems like the currency that they're using. Okay. Exactly 10 passengers boarded the horse cart at each of the destinations A, B, C, D. Okay. So people are boarding from different places and going to different places. Okay. Out of the 10 passengers who boarded the cart at A, only 1 passenger alighted at E. The remaining 9 alighted at B, C, or D. Okay. So I'm going ahead and also writing down A, B, C, D, and E. This is boarded from and alighted at. I will need my trusty column and row maker. Boarding from A, you will not get down at A. Boarding from B, you will not get down at A. This is done. Everything under this is not happening. First thing they told me is exactly 10 passengers boarded at the horse cart at each of. Okay, so this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. People who boarded at D will necessarily get down at E. So 10 people get down here. This is nice. And out of the 10 passengers who boarded at A, only 1 passenger alighted at E. Only 1 passenger alighted at A. Okay. 9 are here. Okay. The number of passengers who alighted the horse cart at BCD was 2, 7, 13, 18. 2, 7, 13, 18. So I can be certain the people who alighted at B, can only be the people who boarded at A. So 2 people here. Okay. The number of passengers who traveled between A and D was equal to the number of passengers who traveled between B and C. B and C is this. So if this is X and this is also X. This is what is told to us. Okay. So this here should be 7 minus X. Total is 7. This is X. This is 7 minus X. Or even row wise, we can reach that. Total fare collected from passengers who boarded at A was 161 twits. Okay. Fare from people who boarded from A and got down at B. They've traveled 5 kilometers. For the first 5 kilometers, the passenger fare is 5 twits. So 2 into 5, you get 10. Plus, for 15 kilometers, you have the fare as 11, no? 5, and then 3, 3. So 11 into 7 minus X. Plus, then you go 20 more. So 4 groups of 5 kilometers more. So 12 rupees more. So 23X. And finally here you will have 26 twits as the charge. Plus 26. This adds up to 161 according to the question. Okay. Let's work our magic. 10 plus 26 is 36. 36 gone from this is 125. So I get 77 plus 12x is equal to 125, or 12x is equal to 48, or x is equal to 4. So this is 4. So this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, our numbers are fine. And the last bit of information, total fare collected from passengers who boarded at C was 152. People who boarded from C and got down at D, let this be Y. So this will be 10 minus Y. So this is Y and this is 10 minus Y. C, 15 to 35. So 20-kilometer gap. So we'll have 5 plus 9, 14. Y plus 10 minus Y into 17 is equal to 152. We can get to a value of Y also. 14y minus 17y. So minus 3y plus 170 is equal to 152, or y is equal to 6. So this is 6. So this is 4. So 10, 4, 1. This will be 3. This will be 3. And we have the precise number of people who are traveling between whatever two starting point and ending point we are seeking. Okay. Let's look at the individual questions now. What was the total fare collected from passengers who boarded at B? People who boarded at B, what was the fare? So this will be 4 into 8. So 32. In fact, let me write down rates everywhere. Here it is 5. Here it is 11. Here it is 23. And here it is 26. Here it is 8. Here it is 20. Here it is 23. Here it is 14. Here it is 17. These are the fares. And here it is D to E, 5 kilometers. So 5. Let us now do the maths. It will be easier to accomplish. So passengers who boarded at B, 8 into 4, 32. 3 into 20, 60. 3 into 23, 69. So 129 plus 32, 130 plus 31. The answer will be option A. Next, what was the total fare collected from passengers who alighted at E? Alighted at E. This will be 26 plus 69 plus 68 plus 50. So 8 plus 9 plus 6, something ending with 3 I need. There is only one option ending with 3, but let us confirm. 69 plus 26 gets me to 95. 95. These two add up to 95. So these two should add up to 118. And yes, 213 is the sum we get. This is sure. Next, which among the following is the maximum? Number of passengers who boarded at A and alighted at C. There are 3 such people. Number of passengers who boarded at A and alighted at D. We have 4 such people. Number of passengers who boarded at B and alighted at D. We have 3 such people. Number of passengers who boarded at C and alighted at D. We have 6 such people. So this is the largest one. This should be the answer. Next, out of the passengers who boarded at B, at which of the following tourist destinations did the maximum passengers alight? People who boarded from B, maximum of them alighted at C. So option A. And that should be the entirety of this set. Fairly straightforward. All you had to do was record the numbers properly. Everything else will fall into place. That will be all.